107, nigga. 107, nigga. I'm a 107, nigga. Yeah. Ready or not, we just try and get this cake, nigga. Put it in the oven, watch it all bake, nigga. And tell my youngest get a chain, yeah, 8, nigga. I say 8 cause yesterday we had steaks, nigga. Team Whoop, that be my motherfucking pack, blood. Drew Brees up where we motherfucking strap, boy. That's a 9 for you motherfucking retards. And I prefer smoking on that fucking key shirt. Bang, bang, when you hit it, Chief Keef, boy. And that's just a preview, you heard me? 107 Whoop pack that. Straight like that, man. I'm out. We got 2 other niggas on the song, you heard me? I don't know if I'm an ad move, you know, I don't know, you heard me? I'm new to this rap shit, I ain't a rapper, you dig? I just do this shit for fun, you heard me? We got Rondo on that bitch, you heard me? Here, 107, nigga. We got Cash on that bitch with a key, you heard me? Here, Uptown, nigga. My young niggas, man, we gon' get it like that, man. You heard me? Nigga tryna get it, man. Nigga gon' get it, man.